my channel, Phu Quoc is the largest island in Vietnam with a huge variety of beautiful scenic spots and places for relaxing. Today we're gonna go to Rach Tram Fishing Village, located on the north part of Phu Quoc Island, 25 km from Viet Nam town. Rach Tram Fishing Village is almost completely separated from the outside world. Its sea coast is about 3 km long. Okay, let's go! Before, when transportation was not developed, we had to go by boat. Going by motorbike was not recommended because you could get lost, as if in a labyrinth surrounded by sand and trees. Now the roads are much more open. To get there, you should take a motorbike, or you completely can take a bicycle if you want some exercise. People in Rach Tram rarely lock their door when leaving their house because they think there is nothing valuable inside, and everyone here is not greedy. So it's not surprising when you visit someone's house that had a TV and nobody inside. Before going to the beach, we will go to our friend's house nearby to prepare something. We bring pork, chicken, and some fruits. I will take some cashew nuts for grilling. Be careful with cashew toxic oil when grilling. It can burn your skin, even damage your eyes. You can try cashew fruits too. Its segment sweet and arctic taste with strawberry smell. Now we are at the beach and waiting for a boat. We rent a wooden boat to go to a big rock on the sea. We will go fishing. One of my friends can drive. For lunch, we will grill cashew nuts, fishes, and boiled chicken, then eat there. Look, a fish rolled to a bait. She is excited now. It's hot. Don't forget to put sunscreen to protect your skin from the sun. I am sure that I will get dark after the trip. Tanned skin. Over there in Cambodia. In the past, many Cambodians crossed the border to stay in Rach Tram, hoping a better life. Do you want to drink orange juice? No, this is not orange juice. This is chili, salt, and lemon. We reaped the fruit of our labor after 2 hours of fishing. This is a baskets of fishes. Now we enjoy our lunch. We have a dish made from dried squid and green mango, watermelon, grilled cashew nuts, grilled fishes, and chicken with beer and alcohol. Even we don't forget to take some of pictures. So stay far from crowded city and enjoy a peaceful and quiet place. Rach Tram Fishing Village can be one of the best choice when you go to Phu Quoc. The sand is white, the sea clear and green. It's like paradise. I'm Yung, so I hope you enjoy watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and share. Thank you and goodbye.